So here are some examples of the material that I would provide students with if I was going to teach this lesson and activity. Directions. In your group, pick 5 to 10 packets of seeds. Make a prediction of how many seeds will be inside each of them. Record these numbers on your graph in red. Then find the actual number of seeds inside each packet. Record the actual total on the graph in green. Next, calculate the average number of seeds per packet. Lastly, answer the extended response questions. So those directions I would go over, I would test their understanding, and then I would release them to do the activity in their groups. I would include a blank graph for students to record their data, and their extended response questions would be: 1, what strategies did your group use to make an estimation? How did you find the average number of seeds in each packet? 2, explain why a graph is a useful tool for comparing totals. I really like that question because it kind of ties in every component of the activity, which is great. And 3, describe another way that you can use estimations, graphs, and averages to understand gardening. So I really like that. It gives kids an opportunity to be creative. This could lead into other future activities as well, possibly. And all in all, I thought those extended response questions were a good way to summarize the activity as a whole.